Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I'm Jomar,
I'm Rush.
and this is the Sir That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, people. But before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment, and subscribe to this or that Sports TV. And do one more thing for us, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people, but get us at least 6 subscribers thereabout. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that gets us by the end of the day, people.
Yeah, but for real, people, share the video. Like, send it to somebody. Subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. We actually ramp up back, man. I want to see subscribers grow. You know, every couple of videos we get some subscribers. We need to see it now, double digits now. We need to see double digits now. So if you're watching, saying a subscriber, you reach yourself. Mind you, it's just a minute and 30 in. But we need to see I hit the subscribe button. Me can't see, but we need to know. In fact, I can't see it. I can check the analytics, bro. Hit the subscribe button.
Bro, apparently enough people triple captain Solanke today, dog.
I'm going to play fantasy in about 6 months.
And he missed a penalty.
You do that?
No, me a triple captain and Haaland played double week a couple weeks ago. They get nothing from it still. But yeah, people, Fantasy Premier League. I say you grow that now.
I don't outgrow, but you don't know me fall off from a minute and me and say, watch you know me get distracted. And then me say me pick it up back and then me get distracted again.
Chat.
But you know what? Me I run it out for the rest of the year and see. I'm see what me there. I'm see what me them father. Cause I show you, I'm gonna set my side in about a couple. Damn, so much steam.
You have Ben White still.
You have Ben White?
Yeah.
And Green Arrow? Yeah.
But if you have Ben White, then you must have Green Arrow.
You have Ben White?
Ah, so.
I saw you as couple. Now we have Eddie starting our head same way.
Gotcha.
Dan Burn and you don't get on the bench same way. Martinelli start same way. You not bad. Not bad, daddy. See it there? The highest for the week are 18. And me have 11.
Yeah, Ben White.
So for complaining in life.
Yeah, boy.
I'm at 23 now. I'm at 23 now this or that league. I'm at 4,000 at Jamaica, 4,700. Can't crack 3,000. I pick it up. But anyways, people, that's not what we're here for. It's not the Fantasy Premier League show.
Yeah, they're far back.
Eh?
Far back.
You not worry about that. You not worry about that. Talk about women lucky. Anyways, watching the people want to talk about the fantasy. We want to talk about two reggae boys. No, we want to talk about some reggae boys. You know, we can't just bring up random reggae boys over there. Time, but two in particular. No, man. A reggae boy, man. He represent Jamaica already. We have two want to talk about in particular, and they will probably bring up some other one.
1.5 reggae boy.
What are you talking about?
Yes, so we're going to talk about 2 reggae boys, and I'm saying we're going to talk about 1.5 reggae boys.
Why is it right now?
Continue the introduction.
Why is it right now?
Continue the introduction, man. 1.5 reggae boy.
Me nah say that.
When me I say it, continue introduction.
Why is it, bro?
Bro, continue.
Anyways, we there for talk about 2 reggae boys, him say 1.5. It is what it is. You tell me one thing, people. I want to respect the caps where Omar Hutchinson get. We need to know that. Now, we're going to talk about Omar Hutchinson and Dujuan Richards. The 2 youngsters getting some minutes and performing in England. We're going to talk about them and their inclusion or them being left out or snubbed for the upcoming window. Should they be included? Will they accept the call? Let's talk about it. Let's start with Dujuan Richards, bro.
This is the one.
Talk about me. Talk about it. What you say?
Talk what you say, brother.
Me, I what if I think they say about me?
Anyways, yeah, whisper the one.
Whisper me good.
As them say 4-4 kick like him and him score.
Hold on, dog. You have a member in a life in a bedroom.
Line up your things. Them
but them line up. I never know say they say that go with it.
4-4 kick like whisper.
Yeah, with a kick like. Damn, she like that.
Kick like whisper.
That is it. 4-4 kick like whisper, my father.
Yeah, and so he kicked, and scored an amazing goal.
Say that again.
He scored an amazing goal. Opening up his goal scoring career for the Chelsea FC, right? Yeah. And hopefully just the first of many more to come. Hopefully he can get a lateral. When you say lateral transfer, that's a vertical transfer to Arsenal and come and come and play some football if you're really good stuff. But first goal, obviously, coming at under 21 level, but it's a great achievement. You know, we're proud of the youth. Hopefully, move from stride to stride and continue doing it and doing it well.
Say your answer, brother.
Sorry about that.
Say you tell dog. But anyways, Whisper man, as I say, 2 goal contributions in the game. Also got an assist, a really, really good assist. His awareness was on point on that assist. The goal, Whisper like goal. You see it, right?
Yeah.
Whisper like goal. Walk him down, cut in. Nice placement. No bombers type of goal.
No
You have the bombers goal, don't get me wrong. Any idea? 4-4 same way.
That's
44 Whisper for where that?
But what would it be representing though? Can remember so we know the violence and we know the
You know, say I watch an interview with the Water.
I must say.
Water say, Whisper couldn't do in the first video, dog, you don't know what the video did a sec. Buckler, Christ. Craig Butler told him that it's not good for that be the representation. I want to really want Ray. Yeah, that Water say, bro. And as I said, me get it. What it would be representing.
Yeah, because the 44 cal same way I want to really to follow the violence.
I saw it a kick still in the dog.
So it kick though.
I saw it kick.
When they kick it and it come off on the left instep, man.
It have to be 31.
Like a 44.
It have to be 31.
Why?
How you chart it one part? What you say? Liam Bailey, bro.
But Liam Bailey no wear 31 for spite. Think Liam Bailey want to wear 31?
Liam Bailey been away 31 from Genk. Liam Bailey away 31 from Genk.
You think of a spite? Which number?
No, I just 31 I'm number.
Which number Liam Bailey wear when him there Leverkusen? Never 31? 9.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, cause
but then him could get 9 to 31 I'm number now, ne?
Right now, if you ask me Liam Bailey number where him want to wear 7. Sure, right.
If him could have wear 31 now national, you think about 31?
I wonder.
I'm a number dog.
You think Stephen could have
That I number when he start him career with, obviously him got 9 when him says about to me, I want to man the club you know. But then him come back a Villa dog, him could have get 10.
Where?
Nobody never have 10 after him left. It was him and Buendia come in. Remember over transfer go first, but Buendia get the 10.
Anyways,
31 fee killer?
It's not gonna be 31 for us.
31.
No. But even think Leon love it 31. So. I think 31 are Leon Bailey number. I think Leon Bailey associate himself with 31.
So why would I come pick 31 again?
Because that's one of him number them, but I don't think say Leon Bailey.
I'm number that. But anyway, that's not Leon Bailey at the point.
Yeah, continue.
Are you that talk?
No, bro, are you that talk?
People, rewind the video and tell this man say him that talk for me, please. You that talk about, what did I say? Lateral transfer number.
Oh yeah, so when you don't talk, hopefully at the first and many hopefully he can come score a goal for Chelsea and maybe come play for a big club like Arsenal.
Are you disappointed? Did they expect him to transition to the first team faster than what we're seeing right now?
Never expect him to transition to the first team. In fact, I thought he was going to go out on loan.
Yeah.
You know, I'm curious as to why they've never loaned him out, but they must know why.
Assessment.
Or maybe that, or maybe them couldn't get a perfect place to send him. But regardless, I'm not entirely happy that him not come out and him not dominate academy football. But I don't want that to be the case. So him score a couple of goals and him, get a whole heap of assists and him start all the game and look like the man. You know, obviously him probably just get in a match condition.
Yep.
And hopefully that can be the case moving forward from this point.
Yeah.
But I'm not disappointed that he's not playing first team football. I never expected him to play in the Premier League this season. But he might play under 21s. We want it to be a case where he might destroy
under 21s. My youth.
Why?
Oh. I know I say yeah, no,
I never yarn like that.
Damn, I know you say Solar yarn like that, dog. I know I say Solar yarn big you.
Well, literally you never yarn like that.
Now why you lie on this is being recorded?
Exactly, so you can watch it. But you talk about yarn.
You want to sleep with father?
You talk about yarning now when it make me feel yarnish. But I never dare yarn.
I was saying never yarn like that. Continue.
I never dare yarn like that.
Continue everyone, come over and I frame.
As me I say.
Yeah.
Me did want it be a case.
No yarn again for your side video.
Bro, but me never yarn while ago, bro.
Continue.
But if you continue to talk about yarn, what you expect to happen?
Carry on.
Anyways, as me I say. I expect him to come and destroy under 21s, and it's never too late. Mm-hmm. Hopefully, yesterday was the catalyst for that.
Yeah. I'm also not disappointed to expect him to come and walk into Chelsea's first 18 would be crazy. That
What
would
they
be
got?
crazy. For him to make Chelsea first 18 later down the line in the year would also seem far fetched if we're talking about this season.
Never expect him to play Premier League this season.
So now, yeah, I don't know if that would be a realistic expectation.
Never
Obviously,
expect him to play Premier League this season or next season.
next season.
Yeah.
Yeah. The only way that would happen if him come and he was just the best player in under 20 and just repeat up and score three goal, two goal here, a goal and an assist there. I was just say, all right, I'm bigger than this. But what we're seeing so far is that he might catch up. He might get him feet wet. You know, he might build up the performances and get a start with there. Be not getting 15 minutes here, 10 minutes there, 15 minutes here. So that is what we don't want to see is him disappearing. Yeah, and him not disappear. No, put a hype on one of the game them so far. Never watch the entire thing, but from what we can see, right now there are players under 21 team playing better than him. Them have one you, I remember one name, them have a number 11. There are players under 21 team playing better than him. You realize me never said there are players better than him.
Yeah.
Because based on what I see from them, I think them better than him. I still think Whisper can dominate the team and be the best player for this team. But he's not performing. He's not having the best performances on the team. Mind you, his performances are not bad. He might get himself in a good goal scoring positions. Him should have get him first goal actually like 3 matches ago. When him shank one wide, him definitely should have scored that. Whisper scored that when him depend form. I'm not asking. You get me? I say so. I like the build up. I like the ramp up. You get me? I say I want to see him continue to play some under 20 football. Maybe at the end of the season when there is nothing more to play for Chelsea, we can probably see him get maybe an appearance in the last game of the season or the second to last game of the season. Next year, get a loan, move out. Who knows, going to the championship, done it up same way. The thing I'm scared of though is Whisper getting a move to a league and playing down to the league. I don't necessarily want to see that. You know, that happened to a lot of players. More see him have a challenge. Really enough. You know, sometimes you want to give a player easier opportunity to score some goal and tear it up.
It's not even
But
that
more
easy
see a
opportunity
challenge.
to score some goal and tear it up. Bro, you have to make the team.
You have to make the team.
So you're not gonna just can play. Oh yeah, I want to get a challenge, so I'm gonna make you play against Premier League teams.
No, never that. But the challenge, let me give you an example.
The need for going our team where him cannot play now.
Let me give you an
First and
example.
foremost.
First team football is important. You're
Yeah.
right. Senior first team football. Balogun scored 20 at goal in the Premier League 2 with up under 21s. France, that was a different challenge, don't get me wrong. Harder than the Premier League 2.
Of course.
Playing
League on.
exactly. Playing first team football, done it up. Proves him can play big man football and then come back. That's what I want. I don't necessarily want to see him go play some second division in the summer just for loan sake, just so it's easy, just so he can score goals. No. As I said, I want to see him play make a competitive squad.
Want him go to the best possible league where he can make the team.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
And play
So
football.
I not say the only second division him supposed to go the second division in England.
Yeah.
You can't. I'm not expect him to get loaned out to no other country second division. That's not dep on my brain, none at all.
Yeah.
Be a lower table team in a top division, but it can't be any other second division besides the championship.
Yeah.
That's the only second division I'm expecting to go.
Yeah.
Yes, but of course it have to be a team. So I'm not expect it to be a top team. It have to be a team where him can play, for sure.
Yeah. And what I take from him getting these appearances in the under 21 team is that he might do something right. You know, obviously I do something right. You know, as I said it already in another video, at this level, people don't really just get anything given to them like that. You get me? I say, unless they pay a big price tag for you and you need for them on this field, like I will believe in you. Outside of that, you have to work, bro. Yeah. You have to work and you have to prove that you deserve to be on the field. And I am assuming that he's proving that in training and he might get the opportunity for go out and display his talents on the field. And I think he's doing a pretty decent job so far. I think he can be much, much better. But from what I'm seeing from Whisper so far, I'm happy with it. You get me? I say, in terms of him making the national team, we're going to talk about that after we discuss the next player. And the next player is Hutchinson, playing the championship, 35 games so far, 10 goal contributions, started off slow. But in the last month and a half, last 2 months, Hutchinson has played some good football. In fact, earned himself a player of the month in the championship for the last month, for February. Talking about Hutchinson and the prospects of him playing for Jamaica, are you excited? Are you Are you planning to move on from Omar Hutchinson? You want to stop talking about him now? How you feel about Omar Hutchinson and his performances? And can he make the team first of all?
First of all, of course, him connect you.
Mm-hmm.
Especially if we're gonna play him in an advanced midfield role, he's what we're lacking.
Yeah.
Obviously, he can be a forward, can be a top link, but obviously we don't want an advanced midfielder. So obviously I want to bring in Omar Hutchinson, but the way Omar Hutchinson treat the program, bro, can't love that. There's always an excuse and he's not injured. There's always a reason why Omar Hutchinson can't come get the official debut. Tell me why is that the case? Why Omar Hutchinson never traveled to Mexico that day to get cap time? Why is Omar Hutchinson still eligible to play for another country? Even though he's been in this program for 2
Wear the jersey
years.
already, bro.
For 2 years, bro. He did a training with the under 20 team last time when he did go play under 20s. So what's stopping Omar Hutchinson from making the next step? Nobody now asks Omar Hutchinson these questions. That's what I want to know.
Yeah.
And when I get the answer to these questions, then I can determine whether or not I want to move on from Omar Hutchinson.
Yeah, and it's weird. It's weird. And obviously, when I really want it's hard when you don't have all of the facts to say you're a player is making excuses or whatever. But I understand it, bro. And in fact, I agree with you. It just always seems like something will come up. You're trained. Why you not gonna play under 20?
Yeah.
If you're there, you're trained with the squad. All right, in fact, there are times when you're in the ground. We had Omar Hutchinson that watch one of the match there.
Yeah,
He was there.
Omar Hutchinson.
You get me? I say, you play for Jamaica against Trinidad and Tobago in March.
Play for Jamaica against Catalonia.
Yeah,
An unofficial friendly.
right. But this is what I said though. Last year,
an actual friendly.
he played 2 friendly in a March.
Yeah.
And then in a March again, we'd have another game. Mind you, I don't know if he got called, but there were whispers that Omar Hutchinson got called. And was that near in the same March when we played Mexico.
Next week.
Exactly. So I say, obviously some things can happen. But outside of injury, outside of family and serious personal issues, bro, if you want to play for the country, you're going to play. There are other things more important than football. But when it don't really happen this often, brother. You get me? It just seems like, brother, from the Monday Arsenal, brother.
Such a coincidence that you come.
You come when it no count.
You play 2 games when it no matter. And then the game when it actually important.
The next week, you can't come. I'm sure Omar Hutchinson play like 4 games in a Jamaican club. He play Catalonia. He play 2 Trinidad and Tobago games. I'm thinking he did go, what that name? When we did go play Saudi, he did that?
No, I don't think he was on that tour.
You remember when we go?
Yeah, when we go play
Morocco?
Saudi and Jordan.
Remember that day?
No.
Right, so he played 3 games we already. And as I say, him always seem to be available when it don't count. But when it's time to be kept tied, and obviously if he represent Jamaica in any official competition, he can't play for another nation. But as Jomar say, he's eligible to play for England or anywhere else that he, has eligibility for. Him can play for another country. Mark him can play for England right now. You get me? I say, and it's hard to say you move on because a very talented player wants to represent the nation. But at the same time, bro, like don't play with and don't string we along, don't lead we on. You see it? If you want to play for we, come play. If you don't want to play for we, make we know like Isaac Hayden say, I'm not ready to take up that. You get me? I say? If you can even say Jamaica are dead down the line because really and truly we will be, but at the same time, don't come when it don't count. And then when a time for come.
Faster than Kofa.
Every other reason except injury or what we're going to get a pass for. Bro, there are literally times that we just don't know. Is it?
And Algrim to say him call it.
Bro, come
like Algrim
play.
Say, yo, try to get Omar Hutchinson.
Bro, Omar Hutchinson make a team. Omar Hutchinson make a team, bro. Omar Hutchinson get appearances for Chelsea first team. Obviously, he's never gonna be a regular player, so them loan him out. Not every loan is a bad loan, bro. You get me? Last year, he did on the bench a couple times. He playing at the FA Cup. In and around the squad, they train with the first team every week. But we want you to play some football because you're a talented baller. So here we're going to do. We don't want you to go out of country, so we're going to loan you down to Ipswich, make you go and knock some leather. Perform good, come back up, can impact the team. Chelsea, that's what Chelsea do, bro. The Gallagher's, the broker, that's what them do. That's what them do, bro. You see me? So then loan him out in the country, make some out. You come back and you come impact. He might do fairly well so far. He's a 19-year-old.
Yeah.
Really good player. But we want to see him come play for the country, bro. You're eligible, you're being called. Come play.
Bro,
you met the team. You can make the team.
Literally, one of the 13 best players on the team.
You can make the team. Why you not there? That's my thing then, and patience and run out, brother.
I said a half. Hutchinson at a half. Come have 1 foot in the door. So a half for your body.
Yeah.
So that's why I say it's a 1.5 regular boy. Because we spot there.
Yeah. Yeah. So you say, in terms of getting called now, for these two players, in terms of getting called, both, you call both for the
For
nations
sure.
for the Nations League.
100%.
Yeah, a lot of people would question and
No
say, oh, if you
apprehension.
call this by my player under 21 football, where him not play for the first team.
When I play for Chelsea and him just turned 18 years old.
Man,
He
I
play
play
for
in the
Chelsea
Premier
under
League
21.
2. That's
Yeah.
the first thing. Man, I'm going to tell you the Premier League 2 are the best thing since sliced bread, mark you. Man, they are at Premier League 2. But I know how rated it is. It is rated amongst young professionals. It is one of the best league for young professionals go and hone them craft.
Yeah.
In terms of next up in the Premier League, you find them in the Premier League 2. Now, if this man can manage to get a start, a goal, an assist, playing consistent football for Chelsea Premier League 2, I would ask you how many other players that you would pick up by him. I'm sure you would have to tell me about the man them who are playing at the Jamaica Premier League and I score them goal them. And that you have to come with. How many of those players can make Chelsea under 20, under 18 team? Did it? I'm not exaggerate, I'm not be extra, bro. How many of them man they can go make Chelsea under 18 team? This man is playing under 21 football. You see me, and not far from now, he will be introduced into the Chelsea first team. Would that be 2 years from now? That is not too far from now. He's 18 years old.
And even in that Chelsea first team,
See,
by
he might go there in our
September,
first team.
he might go play first team football.
You get me, I say?
By the fall, he might go play first team football.
So me ready to go on and him playing under 21 football, looking good in under 21 football, that earned him a call up for me. In fact, if playing in the Manning Cup did earn him a call up at 16 and 17, him 1 year removed from that, and him a play at a higher level, way higher level, couple times higher than what he was. In fact, when him did get called up last year, he never did play the football. Never play for under 21 and somehow him not earn the call up. No, I was the one that believed that. When him officially getting moved, no, him have to earn the call up. Because even though him still can get a call up based on promise and age and quality, no, I feel like say you're in a situation where you need to play football, and if you not play football, that means something.
Yeah.
Me think him earn the call up, or I think him earn the call up. People make me know what to think. I would call him. In terms of Omar Hutchinson, that goes without saying. We are called League One player. That alone me need to say. We are called League One player for playing our midfield. And Omar Hutchinson just get championship player of the month. If you not call him, then who are run this program and what not do?
But we know say I get called.
He might get called.
We're not worried about war on the Jamaica football. Because we know say Algrim star in Jamaica football.
And he might get called.
Yeah.
You see me? So,
I just whether or not him decide to move forward.
and me for forward, bro. Me could talk about one other player real quick. Liam Bailey, man. Is this guy going to stop? Is this guy going to stop? The man I put in good performances after good performances, bro. And Aston Villa player of the month, I think. I don't think he's Premier League player of the month. Aston Villa player of the month.
Something they get Premier League player.
Dad, the man are working way enough. The man are working way enough, dog. The conversation for
Rasmus Highland get player of the month.
Side, man you player.
5 goals, 1 assist.
No like 5 goals, he might be in the whole Premier League season.
it come last month.
That's crazy.
But yeah, it explode on the scene.
Long may Manchester United's poor form continue.
Long may it continue.
But anyways, Liam Bailey, man. The man, right now the conversation for Aston Villa player of the season is not over and done. You have a couple players that are up there. Liam Bailey is one of them. Liam Bailey is what? Dad, you just want another yard in a dog. Damn a seat on the
Bro,
screen.
me literally.
Damn a seat on the screen, bro.
Me take a deep breath, bro.
But I tell you, even not just yarn like I'm wanting to rewind the thing and tell me if the man just swallow a yard.
Me take a deep breath, bro. I'm literally just take a deep breath.
Liam Bailey.
Continue.
You think the former can translate? Because the man I play, these are the hottest Liam Bailey be. You can't say this time hottest
Since
street
Leverkusen, for sure.
since Leverkusen. Mm-hmm. And then if you talk about the challenge and the level of difficulty, you can't say them
Yeah,
career.
these are the best football ever played in their career.
You did.
Sure. These are the best
He
football
might play Conference League, I think, or Europa League. He might play good in the Premier League. Talk to me.
Man, I can't team the Champions League, bro.
I want to see this translate, bro.
I'm
If this
telling
form, the form me I talk about, the performance is one thing. If the goal scoring or the goal contributing form, one more
No, bro, but even so, even the performance is like.
No, the performance is good enough.
Yeah, that's why I say, so even if him play like
Yes, if you forget the performances.
without the goal contribution, bro, we are, Jamaica got first of
Well,
all
we pleased.
qualify for the World Cup.
Yeah.
For sure. You get me? I say, we're going to do well in the nation, we're going to do well in the Copa America, we're going to do well in the Gold Cup. If him just play like how him a play for Aston Villa. And you know what? Playing like how you play for Aston Villa, automatically, the numbers are going to come.
Yeah.
Automatically, the goals and the assists will come. But I'm not even only goals and assists this man I provide. I provide the quote-unquote hockey assists. As we see where I play the ball into good spaces and then him teammates are capitalize from it and I guess assists and goals. So not even only numbers, but numbers prolific too, you know. But it's so much more than numbers. But 8 and 8, bro. Sheesh.
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, Liam Bailey will get to 20 goal contributions for the season. What? Double digits goal.
Yes, we'll get to
You might get him there 16 now.
4 more contributions by the end of the
A
season.
whole heap of match left.
Yeah.
Liam Bailey, I get to that. And me not talk about all competitions. That done. But in the Premier League, Liam Bailey, I get to 20 goal contributions. And man, me never see this I come. 15 goal contribution would that be good for me.
But remember we said it like if I get 20 goal contributions, then at the next left them I look one.
Yeah.
Like the City them and that level there.
And him approach it. So, again, another thing, long may it continue.
We just want to translate.
And ultimately that's what we care about.
That's what I care about.
Yeah, I'm not an Aston Villa fan.
I'm an Arsenal fan.
Don't get me wrong, I've been watching a few more Aston Villa matches because Liam Bailey is on the team.
But
I am not.
I don't care how well Aston Villa. When Liam Bailey play against Arsenal, we probably won the match done 3-1. And Liam Bailey score.
3 love, brother. Come much other team did they for score upon? Just see my team and load that, Richard. 18 other team did they can score upon you, come score upon me.
So, but we need it to translate for the regular boys when it matters. That's what I care about.
Yeah. But
that's
are we
what I care about? Yeah.
So we talk about 2.5 regular boys?
2.5 regular boys. That's what we spoke about. I mean, me really want the half become 3, bro.
Yeah.
Me really want the half transition into 3 regular boys.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Do the right thing, no, Bridging. Just do the right thing, no. Give up, man.
Don't tell him the BS.
Give up, bro, G.
But he's so young.
Forward a yard. It's a hard thing to give up. But give up, bro.
I'm not saying give up.
Give up.
I'm saying choose us.
Give up. But watch it now.
Bro. I want him look at him say,
I couldn't my son.
England, yeah. But no,
I couldn't my son.
I play for my daddy.
I couldn't my son.
I couldn't be my son. For my son, him captain a long time.
Long time. We are talking about. If I'm my youth.
If I'm my son, him captain a long time. You know I get a chance to make a choice. When I'm 17, me I go love her ball it. Me I go look for arguments and say, yo, me I go
like you need him.
Me I go Craig Butt like.
Yeah.
Yeah man, me I go say put him in a national team. You hear that? You want him to turn 19 and then start thinking for himself? No, give him that chance.
Make him start 8 to know?
No, Virgin.
You love him country.
Captain from a 17. Give him a 1 match, fine. Park him. I'm fine with it.
I'm not fine with it.
You're Jamaican.
If I'm your father,
Suppose
if I'm your father, if I diss me,
and
you say that's not fun. If I'm father, that now come out of my mouth. I don't even know play good. Play him in a form.
No.
As in father?
No, I don't care.
I love my son, but I love my country.
Yeah, but you loving your son after doing him a play for the national team?
I love my son.
For the national team?
Eh?
So you want your national team so much because your son can play national team?
You know how to play.
And your son play professional football and make him thousands of dollars?
Yes.
No, Reggie.
Yes.
No.
But
my son, no.
Come out wrong. What about brother?
My son, no. If you cannot make the national team, you can't make. I will never push my youth. You know, national.
And I have to select him.
I'm
not corrupt the
team. Me the national.
I'm not corrupt the system. But me just say what I would have said.
No man, me I tell the coach cap time no and park him. Make him earn him spot little later down. But cap time no.
Cap time and when him now go and good call him and put him on the bench.
No. We need the full 23.
As a father.
We need
I remember saying I go want my free ticket, see me. Fully corrupt. Listen, what people, let me know one thing. What are your opinions on Dujuan Whisper Richards? Did he, over the last couple of weeks, you know, does that warrant him getting a call up for the national team? Hutchinson, would you call him? How you feel about him dodging the national team call up so far? Liam Bailey performance really translate to the national team, and what would that mean for us, you know, going forward? Talk to in the comment section. And with that, if you don't like the video, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe to it. Now, could I do this, you know? You also at the radio show, come upload somebody in the dog to give you some money. What you say?
What for do?
Eh?
What for do?
What do you mean?
like start a radio show. Like what the protocol? Where you want with? I just start like
That would even go. Even go up and you start dog or even pop the dog. And the campus same way. I go in a careless. I mean, them know say once a week.
talk to Arville.
On a Wednesday or a Thursday evening.
Come on, I mean I sit down the reason same way, you know.
Nah, we need a show dog. Anyways, people, if you like the video, don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe to this side at Sports TV, and one more thing for us. No!
Share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us 6 subscribers. Because if each and every one of you guys can manage to do that, you know how many subscribers that get us by the end of the day.
Yes, people. But for now, this was this or that Sports TV. Hold on.
For a kick like whisper.
Yeah. I got no gun.
But we just don't talk about baller same way.
So what you want me to do?
A baller, you have to, and him, remember say him we just don't talk about, bro.
Yeah. And because we just produced a good show. People, we're gone.